Alright, so time for me to dive in and get some work done. Alright, so first thing you do is you make sure you're in high gear. Feels like we're on high. Now, instead of trying to yank up here and go back here and dick around, you go right down here with your hand like this, and you push back and forth. See how it moves real easy?
Alright.
And you can jerk on this stuff pretty easy.
Alright.
And figure out what you need. Now, where's my screwdriver at?
Right there.
So you get over here. So right now I don't know where we're at. So first thing is put your finger over the hole and see what it's doing.
Should be on the downstroke on that one, but
That's sucking.
you might slide off the damn jack.
Okay, which valve are we on? Okay, so we got compression here, but we're on the compression stroke here. So next time by is compression on the front. Now, I just did the back, see? Now you come over here, you go like this, and when it comes up, we're where we want to be. So see, I'm working my hand back here. This is what you got to film, not my screwdriver. This here doesn't matter. It's what I'm doing down here. This is the part you can figure out.
Yeah. Alright.
So why are you filming my hand again? You're supposed to be filming this hand. So right now I'm right where I want to be, and I can jerk it back and forth, and I got leverage because I'm pushing down.
Alright.
Now we're where we want to be. So this is on compression, this is on overlap. See how the valves are open right now, especially like this one. So the rockers, this rocker's up compared to this, that means that valve is open right now.
Okay.
It's on the overlap stroke. Okay, so once you get to that, then you go back over here and do some real work. So, we got our parts in here, parts and pieces. You gotta wiggle the gasket around until you get it to where it goes between. That's not right, so pull it all back up again. This one's not wanting to go down for some reason.
It's not hitting that valve over here. It kind of felt like it was when it was.
I have no idea what the problem is. All right, there's the problem. See where the gasket's at? See how it's overhanging?
Yeah, sure.
See, if I was on the other side of the bike, I could see that was the problem. See, when you're on this side of the bike, I can't see that. Don't play with it.
Alright.
What the problem is now. So now I just have to reposition the gasket. Come back down in the right spot. Get the valve in the right spot too. Now that one goes in, this one goes in, this one goes in, and this one goes in. See, everything's in the right spot. See how that works?
Mm-hmm.
Now, move the other bolts out to fill in the motor. These ones get dumped on the floor for me when I spill the bike over. You get all the bolts started before you start torquing. So once you get back, you're way too close. Remember that little screen look has 2 inches in diameter, and the one that's on TV is 25 inches in diameter.
Gotcha.
Okay, so this is 1 Allen bolt. Reduce. Okay, so all the hardware is in there now. That means the gasket's all in there where it belongs. Pushrods are where they belong. Okay, now we can go down before we drop everything down.
You gonna dump all your tools out the seat too?
No, you did that.
That's what I mean. Okay. Yep. It's alright though. Gotta knock something over.
Okay, so these, long-winded. Okay, see how they moves? Okay, push. Damn carburetor spring got me. Okay, you center it side to side and push that direction at the same time. You find the sweet spot.
That should give you clearance on that valves,
We
right?
want valve clearance. That gives me valve clearance. Then you take a look in there and make sure it has clearance. I had the light once. I had no idea what to in my pocket. So this one has a bunch of clearance through there. This one over here is a little tighter, but we have clearance, so we're good. Now we can cheat and move the box this way to gain clearance there if we want to. In this case, I don't really care. It's good enough. Live with it. When the bolt starts getting tight, you've either gone too much or not enough. Just bounce around. Roll in there. Okay. Grab the other wrenches. So I go faster by myself.
Yeah, I could have told you that, but probably go like 4 times faster. But I'd be lying if I said I could. I could even help. I mean, really.
All right. Now you pull out torque wrenches. Here they ran out.
And I dumped them all over the
There's
bike.
one right here.
Yeah.
Tight, Tatro tight. Tight, me. That's good. That's good. Okay, so those are all in there. Now we're doing the push rods. Okay, that one is bled, this one is not bled. Problem with this is it's down in the hole buried in here. Makes it really hard to get to this push rod. See what's buried down there?
I do.
And we already know they're pretty close because this one was close, so I'm not going to redo these ones.
Alright.
This one rotates now. This one we're waiting for. So I can't move that one yet. So we gotta wait for that to go. This one already moved, it already went up and down, so I know it works. Where's my screwdriver's at? This one. Shove it in the hole up in there. I feel it going up into the hole. It's not going up in there for some reason. Should feel it go pop. I'm not really feeling it pop up in that O-ring. Might be the against the side of the head or something, who knows. So, it's not in there, like I said, I can't get this in there. I know this is not up inside there.
Alright.
I don't know why it won't go up in there. So, something's wrong.
I know I had red ones in there before, but I don't think the color matters.
But it don't matter.
Alright.
Looks like it's all the way in there where it belongs. Little rock has got their holes cut too damn small. The cover's fatter than the damn head is, so it won't go in. It's bottoming out. This shoulder lip right here won't go inside the stupid head.
On the counterboard or whatever.
Yep. Can't tell how deep it's in there. So it's either going to leak or not leak, but I can't tell. Excuse me.
But
It feels like it's doing the same trick. And the pushrod cover's way too long, which is a dead giveaway. The cover's not up there where it belongs. This one's not down where it belongs either, which doesn't help.
yeah, either that or you put the wrong ones on.
Like I can't feel it go engage. To me, it means it's not correct. Can't tell. Tell what the hell's going on. These covers so mutilated, it's really hard to tell. If I had to guess, I'd say it's not working. Aftermarket suppliers don't like making stuff correct, so. pops in. I should be getting that noise on top, and I'm not. The same thing as running. So this stuff's all bogus. Bogus! Junk ass in a block. Bites me in the ass again. Of course, you always figure about these problems after you got everything together. 'Cause that's how it works.
So is that on the heads? Or just a...
The head, you can't pull the push rods out unless you pull the rocker boxes off. So, you get to pull everything back apart again. Find out what the problem is, fix it, put it back together again, which is not going to happen today. We're going to find out what the problem is right now. That washer's going to go bye-bye.
all good.
There it is, got it.
Whatever I need to be down here. I mean, least I can do is at least help you film it.
Everything's nice and clean.
Yeah, no, you did a great job. Tungsten scraper you got, and some grinding skills, right? I don't think that's gonna help put it together though. Not put the covers on.
Pushrod covers don't seal, they make lots of leaks. They go all kinds of different locations. You can't tell the leaks from. Because it'll leak all the way around underneath the box. It'll go from the fins, drip down that side, it'll drip down this side, it'll go down the pushrod covers, leak down the front. You know, all kinds of places it would leak. It's hard to find them. This is very top and it splits.
Yeah, I might have had one little drip every now and then on one corner, but I never knew where it was from. So. Could have been one of the wasn't much though.
Okay, all that to get to this point.